this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your phone's home screen back to normal. So you can reset this if you go to the top right and then go to settings and scroll on down. We want to go to where it says apps. Then under apps, we want to go to the top right and we actually want to go to search right here. And we want to search for something called like UI. So a lot of times if you just type in UI on my Samsung device, this is going to be called One UI Home right here. So if we tap One UI Home, and this is going to be different for each one of your devices. So I'll show you how to do this on my Motorola 2 and my Google Pixel in a second. But usually it's like UI or Home or something like that. And then once you have this opened, we can go on over to storage. Where's storage? Tap storage. And then we can go to clear data. Go to delete. Now when we go back, you can see it's going to reload the home screen. And it's going to be reset to the original home screen. So on your Motorola devices and everything else, it's going to be similar but different. So you just have to find the specific application that is running the home screen. So let's go on down to apps here. I'll do it on my Google Pixel as well, because they're each a little bit different. I think this one is called Moto Home, and this one might be called Pixel Home or something like that. So let's just bring the app screen open. And then what you can do is just go to search. So go to search under apps once again. And instead of putting UI, you can just try typing in launcher or UI. So if we type in launcher on my Motorola, you can see I have Moto app launcher right here. That's how I'm going to do it on my Motorola. On my Google Pixel, if I scroll on down, this one's called Pixel Launcher. So try typing in UI. If that doesn't work, look for something with launcher in the title. Scroll on down under here. I don't know if I'm going to do it on my Google Pixel just because I have everything set up the way I want that. And then we go to storage and cache. Clear storage. Delete. Go back to the home screen. And you can see this is set to the original home screen now. Very simple to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.